Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can screen record on Windows 11. So if you want to record your screen window without downloading anything, whether it's for tutorials, gaming, or presentations, I'll show you the easiest way to screen record on Windows 11 using built-in tools. Let's get started. So Windows 11 comes with a built-in tool called Xbox Game Bar, and it's not just for games. You can record most apps and windows with it. So what you need to do is just press on Windows plus G on your keyboard, and then the game bar overlay will appear, and you can just click on the record button in here, or just press on Windows plus Alt plus R to start recording. When you click on that, here, let's try again. Okay, so when you start recording, you'll see a small floating bar showing the recording status, and you can just press on Windows Alt plus R again to stop, or just click on the stop button in here. Then your video will be saved automatically in the videos, and you can find it under the captures folder. So if you want to know, there's also limitations of Xbox Game Bar, so it can record the desktop file explorer or some system apps. It only works with active apps windows like Chrome, Edge, Word, or others. So that's how to screen record in Windows 11. No software needed. If this helped you, hit that like, subscribe, and click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye!